Want to flatten a PDF and make annotations, comments, and form fields permanent? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to flatten a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and easily. First, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Next, go to File and select Print. You can also press Ctrl-P on Windows or Command-P on Mac. In the Printer menu, select Adobe PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. Then locate the Comments and Forms option and choose Document and Markups. This ensures that comments, highlights, stamps, signatures, and form data are included in the new PDF. Click Print to continue. When prompted, choose a file name and location for the new PDF file. Save the document, and Adobe Acrobat will create a new flattened PDF. The new file will contain all annotations and form elements as part of the page content, making them no longer editable. And that's it. You've successfully flattened a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC.